Welcome traders to Polaris Trading Group and PTG University Indicator Series. Today's video will focus on the Dynamic Position Size or Reward Risk tool. This tool auto-calculates the position size based upon account value and percentage risk parameters input by the trader. It displays the entry price, stop loss, risk-free levels, and up to 3 optional price targets based upon R values. We've recently added an auto trading capability for the Sierra Chart and NinjaTrader platforms, and what we'll do today on this video is focus on showing you the auto trading capability for the tool. So if you're serious about trading, then this tool is an essential addition to your trader toolbox. As professionals, we know that the power of position sizing cannot be underestimated. And it's very important that we have a tool that will help us manage our risk and achieve our profit targets. That's what this particular tool will do for you. So with that, let's go to the chart and show you an example. Before we get to the chart though, industry regulations require that we highlight the NFA Rule Compliance 2-29, which simply states that hypothetical performance results have many inherent limitations, and one of the limitations of hypothetical performance results is they are generally prepared in the benefit of hindsight. Trading in futures and derivatives on futures is speculative in nature and involves substantial risk of loss. Past performance is not indicative of future results. So let's get to the charts and show you what the Dynamic Reward Risk tool is all about. Okay, so what we've done here is I've prepared a chart of the S&P E-mini, and what we're going to do here is set it up in replay mode, and this is in simulation mode. What we'll do is review the indicator and show an example of how it works. So you can see in the top right hand corner it says account size 100,000, risk percent of 1. This is all adjustable by the input traders. So let's just take a look at the study. And again, this particular example is being conducted on the Sierra Chart platform, but it is available as well on the NinjaTrader platform as well as a strategy. So going into the settings, what we'll take a look at here is the max risk is defined by either percentage, which we're showing today, or by a specific dollar amount. All right, so if you want to risk a certain dollar, that's fine. All right, today we're going to use just a percentage for demonstration purposes. And then you have a couple options here. Place targets automatically. So what this means is if we have to set to yes, it means that the targets will be based upon R value automatically. So 1R value, 2R value, 3R value, and 4R value. If you decide that you want to place your targets manually by using some other distribution method to take profits, all you simply need to do is say no to this, and then you can place your targets where you wish. Some people like to use perhaps Fibonacci targets or other types of targets, and again, all that is user definable. And then we have also a feature in here called the auto break even. What that simply means is that once you have reached the risk-free level, which is 1R value, the initial stop will automatically be moved up or down into the entry point. And of course you have that capability to say no on that and manage your stop how you wish. So there is some auto trading features available that is very useful to manage your positions. All right, so what we're going to do here today is we have a $100,000 account, 1% risk, and we're going to use a contract distribution method of 25% equal increments. Again, that is user definable as well, and we're also using an auto break-even feature for demonstration. Okay, now the beauty of this particular indicator that we've just recently updated with the auto trading capabilities is that you can use any bar structure. It is not based upon an indicator. Right? We actually have an auto trade assistant tool that is based currently upon a CCI indication. But in this particular tool, it's free to use at any bar point independently of any indicator. All right, so what we'll do here is we'll start the simulation and we'll show you how it is plays out. Now what you'll notice here is I've already preset that an entry we want to look for is at the 2000 level, okay, and just for demonstration purposes. So let's start the replay feature right now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the speed a little bit for brevity here. So what we're going to do here is we're going to place an entry at the 2000 level. All right, so let me just move this line out of the way. And so we're going to go right click, set entry. Actually, we'll use 2025, and then we're going to set a stop down here below this low bar. Okay, so we're going to go right click and set stop. So those are the only two levels that you need to initially click on. Now we have it set for auto targets. Okay, but before we do at that point, now what we need to do is place orders. Okay, so we just simply right clicked, we place the orders, it stages the orders here automatically, and you're in this case we're there to buy 7 units. All right, stop loss of 7 initially, and then risk free we'll scale out at 4 equal increments. Okay, so the entry, the stop, and then all you need to do is place orders now. We use a buy stop or sell stop for entry, and at this point it's just a matter of watching the trades unfold. Okay, so we entered 4 units here. Okay, and as you can see, it's starting to move higher. All right, and at the once we reach the risk-free level, which is 1 R value, it will, there you go, execute. And now what we've done here, just let me pause the replay. Notice that the entry was now, or excuse me, the stop was moved to the entry point. This is our auto break-even feature. Okay, so let's continue to run the replay. And again, what I'm going to do here is speed it up a touch. All right, so we can work through the entire video. Okay, so again, at this stage, we have simply have auto target set. Now with these auto targets, okay, using the auto trading capability of Sierra, we can simply move, okay, our targets where we want. All right, again, by simply dragging the lines. Okay, we don't necessarily have to keep them, all right, at the locations. All right, but as you can see, we just scaled out on another level. Now at this point, all right, what you can do on the balance of your stop, you can raise your stop, you can drag it up to the next level. Okay, and again, you can manage it. In an upcoming version, we will have an auto trailing stop feature. Currently, we do not have that, but we will have that in an upcoming version. And any updates are no additional charge once you've purchased the indicator. All right, so at this point, we're just looking to scale out of the balance. Okay, so we scaled out of 3 lots, and then on the last unit, we're going to just drag up our stop. And now we have 1 remaining at the target 3, which is 4 R value, and we've dragged up our stop to the first target. And there we go. So we got stopped out on the balance. We never reached the target 3, but we get stopped out on the balance. So that is our new dynamic position size or reward risk tool with the auto trading capability. If you're interested in this particular indicator, for additional information, please contact me at david@polaristradinggroup.com or visit our website at www.polaristradinggroup.com for looking at the other indicators and tools that we have. Or you can drop me a voicemail at the number displayed. Thank you very much for your attention, and good trading to all.